I know it looks like I'm like doing a back bend and it must be uncomfortable, but actually when you're doing bench, you want to have a lot of engagement in your back because it helps to keep you stable. And that's actually what will keep my back from hurting, because like all of my muscles in my back, my glutes, my core, my legs are like digging into the ground. All of that makes my body more stable so that as the weight is moving, I'm not going to be like, jiggling around in my torso, because that can actually hurt your back. It not only keeps your body like stable, but also if you think about like how your arms are positioned, if you're like flat against the bench, like imagine I'm laying down. If you're flat against the bench and you're doing like this, a lot of that is really like shoulder work, right? And a lot of people have their arms like that. When you push your chest up, it engages your lats and brings your elbows down a little bit. And this is actually where we want the work to be. Because as you're pushing up, now you're able to engage more into your pecs. And your pecs are able to do more of the work versus your shoulders. So if you're doing bench and you feel like you have shoulder pain, check and make sure that you're pushing your shoulders down into the bench and that you're pushing your chest up towards the ceiling. Now, the degree to which that's going to arch your back depends on the person. I grew up doing gymnastics, so my arch is pretty significant because I have a lot of flexibility in my abdominals and I have a lot of muscle in my back. So when I just naturally flex those muscles to put myself in a position where I can use my pecs, it looks really like a significant arch. And a lot of times you'll find women in particular seem to have a really significant arch. And part of that is because of our badunkadunks, right? Like just because we got more cushion on the lower end of that arch, it's just gonna look like more of an arch as well. So there's a lot of reasons why the arch is there. And no, it does not hurt at all. In fact, it would hurt if I didn't arch.